Hello, welcome to Bhavana's Math Heaven. So today's topic is finding the mode of group data. So in this data again two columns are given there. One is classes column, other one is frequency column. So these two columns are enough to find mode. No other columns are necessary to create. Just two columns are enough. So before going to find mode, first of all you have to know the formula to calculate the mode. Mode is denoted by the letter Z, and the formula for mode Z equals to L plus F1 minus F0 into H by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2. This is the formula. Before going to post the values, first of all you have to know how to write those values. First letter L. L means lower boundary of model class. To pick the lower boundary of model class, first of all you have to write the model class, which is called model class. The class having the highest frequency is called model class, isn't it? So pick the highest frequency. Among these frequencies, the highest value is 23. So that is the frequency of model class. So that should be taken as F1, highest frequency. So the class 35 to 45 consisting of this value 23. So 35 to 45 is called model class. So highest frequency is 23 and this 23 lies in the class 35 to 45. So model class is 35 to 45. So after identifying the model class, then go for the remaining values. L. L means lower boundary of the model class. This is the model class. Whenever to write lower boundary, first of all you have to look into the type of classes. Check the classes here. Each class. In the first class 15, the last value is 15 and the next class begins with 15. So such type of classes are called continuous classes or exclusive classes. Whenever exclusive classes are given to you, whatever the lower limit is there, that lower limit should be taken as lower boundary. So L value is 35. So I am writing L equals to 35. Now coming to F1, already I told you F1 is nothing but frequency of the model class, that is highest frequency. Highest frequency is 23. F0. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding model class. The class preceding model class is 25 to 35. Its frequency is 21 and it is denoted with the letter F0. Next, F2. F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding model class. This is the model class. Its succeeding class is 45 to 55 and its frequency is 14. So you have to take 14 as F2. This is F2. So after writing all these values, F1 is 23, F0 is 21, F2 is 14. Now pick the size of the class. Once again check in the same way. The lower limits are increasing by 10. So the size of the class is 10. Size of the class. The difference between lower limits of two successive classes or the difference between upper limits of two successive classes is taken as the size of the class. So the difference between 15 and 5 is 10. So class interval is taken as 10. Now after obtaining all these values, substitute these values. L value, that is 35, F1 value 23, F0 value 21, 23 minus 21 into H value 10 by 2F1, 2 into F1 value 2 into 23 minus F0 minus F2. F0 value is 21 minus 21, F2 value is 14 minus 21 minus 14. So after posting all the values, then go for the simplification. 23 minus 21 is 2. 2 into 10 is 20. Now coming to the denominator, 2 into 23 is 46. Now add the negative values 21 and 14, both are negatives, so their sum becomes negative 35. So 46 minus 35 is 11. So 2 into 10 is 20. Now 20 by 11, you have to divide 20 with 11 up to 3 decimal places. You have to find the quotient. So after finding up to 3 decimal places, you have to make into correction for 2 decimal places. Pick the last digit here. This is more than 5. If the last digit is 5 or more than 5, then add 1 to its preceding number. By adding 1 to its preceding number, it becomes 1.82. Leave the last digit. That is called correction. So the correction up to 2 decimal places, it becomes 1.82. On adding this 35 with 1.82, you get 36.82. This is the method to find or to calculate mode. Thank you.